In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Amazon Prime trial or membership, a crucial task to ensure you don't accidentally get charged when your free trial ends. If you're using a desktop or web browser, the process is straightforward and will just take a few minutes of your time. Let's dive right in and make sure you know exactly how to navigate this. First off, head over to Amazon.com and log in with your account details. Once you've successfully signed in, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll notice a tab labeled Accounts and Lists. Hover your cursor over this tab, and a drop-down menu should appear. From the list of options, click on Prime Membership. Depending on your region, this might be labeled slightly differently, such as Your Prime or simply Prime. If you're having trouble finding this option, don't worry. You can alternatively go to your account page where a broad array of options is presented. Within these, you should spot an option related to Prime or memberships. This path is just as effective and ensures you reach your destination without any hassle. Once you land on your Prime membership page, direct your attention to the various options available. You should be looking for choices like Manage Membership, Update, Cancel, and More, or something similar. These links will guide you to the page where you can alter your membership status. The option you need to focus on is labeled End Trial or End Membership. Again, depending on where you are, this might appear as Cancel Membership or another variation. Click on this link to initiate the cancellation process. Once you've clicked there, some on-screen prompts will guide you through the rest of the process. At this stage, it's quite common for Amazon to offer you retention options. They might present you with a discounted rate or ask if you prefer to keep your membership benefits until the trial concludes. Carefully consider these options and choose what suits your situation best. After you follow these prompts and confirm your decision to cancel, you should receive a confirmation message. This message affirms that your trial or membership is set to terminate and will not renew at the trial's end. Seeing this confirmation is essential as it assures that you've successfully completed the cancellation process. And there you have it, a simple and effective guide to ensuring your Amazon Prime trial or membership doesn't surprise you with any charges at its conclusion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching and have a great day.